AUD pairs. Let's look at it. So we're looking at ADUSD quickly. So ADUSD currently whole day today been just ranging, not really doing anything. You know, not quite a big movement in AD pairs in terms of trading today. So only one push counter for this a 4 hour time frame. So really, truly, not really a movement in AD right today. Tried to break above this 4 hour resistance, but failed to do so. Has been trying to break this level for quite a long time. Last time it broke was 15th of July. So for the last 5 days, it's been trying to break it, but hasn't been able to. So we expect AD to keep lingering here for about today. So when market opens early tomorrow, you might see AD momentum upward because it's going to most likely rise and retest this as the resistance, trendline resistance, which is about 0.7026 level. So we expect AD to rise to that level. Let's quickly look at 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, we have a bullish confirmation from our MACD and from our 50 MA. So we are expecting AD to rise, all the way here, but we are currently see some pullback. So that's what's expected at this 4 hour resistance, quite a strong resistance. Price has been dropping from here since 15th of July. So we were expecting some kind of resistance, some kind of selling pressure here. But again, we do not see a valid close above this level for us to really enter as a buy, because if I just zoom in, that's not a valid close, just a bad close, indicating quite a strong sell pressure around here, and we do not want to open a trade just about here, because easily sellers could have came and pushed the price all the way here. So again, let's see how AD lingers. If I see a price close above here by end of today or by early morning tomorrow, I might look to buy AD all the way to probably to this resistance level or to the highs of probably highs of this. So somewhere around here could be our TP, or TP2 could be around somewhere here. So waiting for AD to break above this level for it to really enter AD as a buy. That's our AD outlook. Let's quickly look at ADJPY. So ADJPY has broken above. We can clearly see ADJPY has broken above. So our next target for ADJPY could be is this level here. But first, to break that level, it needs to break above this level, which is currently going to reach. So I need a break above this level. So price close above here, somewhere around there, for me to go long. It could happen. It could happen today. We have an hour candle just started about 4 minutes ago. So this hour candle breaks above and closes above this level, then we're probably going to send out a trade of ADJP by hoping the price to reach to this trend line, trend channel resistance 75.4. So if I go to longer time frame quickly, it'll be easier to see. So that's our trend channel resistance, which price is currently in. So broken above this 1 hour resistance, price is currently here, expecting to break for it to rise all the way here. So this is our trend channel. As you can see, whenever price reaches this trend channel, it does usually reach this trend channel after breaking above this EMA. So 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, countless, about 4 or 5 times. It does, that's its target, next target for buyers to really push the price all the way. So that's where we're expecting price to go. But firstly, it needs to break above this line that I just drew for me to really, and really and truly to know that, yeah, this is a good uptrend. It's a good trend. Buyers are willing to push the price upwards from here, because this is the last time a sellers really push the price down. So if this level breaks, it indicates, there's no sellers present anymore, and it's all going to be buyers all the way till here. So again, that's our outlook for ADJPY. Let's look at another pair, AD-CAD. So AD-CAD, as you can clearly see, did not, as you know, AD-USD is rising, AD-JPY is rising, but AD-CAD has fallen down. And this is because of Canadian dollar is stronger than AD dollar right now, because of Canadian positive outlook news that's been coming in from Canada, a lower lower coronavirus rates, more reopenings. This is all giving boost to Canadian dollars compared to AD, where coronavirus cases have been rising compared to other countries, compared to New Zealand and those part of the world. So that's why Canadian dollars gain more investors, more buyers coming in Canadian dollars plus in AD dollars. Also on a technical analysis basis, it was reaching a resistance. So this was a 4 hour resistance line, which was quite a strong resistance. Last time price break above the resistance were on 15th of July, but we saw a massive sell by about, how many pips was that? From 43 to all the way to 51. So about 13, 14 pips, downturn, which is quite massive in AD, because AD CAD doesn't move that much. For it to move that much in one go, which is quite massive. It's quite massive. So again, we always knew this is going to be good, strong resistance. But as you know, we are long AD, so we're not looking for any sell. We're not looking to sell any AD pairs against any currency. So if we see a sell opportunity, we usually ignore it, because we do not want to differentiate our mindset. We don't have a two mindset of selling and buying. It's much easier if we go with the pair. We know we're just going to looking to buy this pair. And whenever we look for, to trade that pair, we're looking for buyers only. So if I see a sell opportunity, I ignore that, because that's going to affect my other analysis. So AD currently, probably going to fall down all the way back here. So it could happen, by the end of this 4-hour candle, we could see price falling back to 9467 level, which is this level here. And, at this level, it might look to, because it's going to find some support. It's a 50 EMA a support level. We can clearly see kind of one time price reached here, goes up, second time, third time, quite a few times. We can clearly see every time price reaches this support level of EMA, we have some, buying pressure. So we are going to wait for price to drop here. It could drop by the end of, let's say, 4-hour candles. It could drop by end of, tonight around 10 p.m. when Australian market opens up. We could see AUD CAD around this level and give us a good opportunity for us to go long and buy AUD CAD. So that's it on AUD pairs. So something we're looking at next is gold. Let's quickly look at gold. I want to save best for the last. So let's quickly look at gold. So gold, you're looking at a lot of lines here. Do not get confused. I will explain them one by one. So gold currently highest 1820, again highest in last 8-9 years. That's a given. Now been this high, but this was on hopes that there is rising coronavirus cases from US, rising coronavirus in UK, not UK, sorry, Australia, rising coronavirus in Asia. Nearly all Asian countries are experiencing quite a high coronavirus cases. Japan is experiencing second wave. Hong Kong is experiencing second wave. Even China is experiencing second wave. Countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh is having a crazy coronavirus cases, rising in those countries. So this is all not good sentiments for investors. So that's why we had AUD gold rising. But on the news, when the news came out from Britain that they have a valid vaccine, that pushed the gold all the way down, and we expect gold to keep dropping all the way back to 1813, and that breaks back to 1809. We do not expect gold to break 1820. 1820 was a quite strong pivot level as well. So for it to break this level would have been something, something really crazy happening in the world for it to break 1820 pivot level. So we are gonna keep watching this 1820 pivot level. I would recommend you guys to draw, box something like this. So, this is a quite major level. And whenever price reaches here, something's going to happen. Is either going to break above this and keep rising to 1830s or 1840s, or it's probably going to get hold here. Sellers going to come in and push the price all the way back down to 1830s, because I do not expect price to rise above 20 years of yet. I could expect price to drop back to 1800 levels, which is this 1800 pivot level around here, for it to finally make a move above this level, because it's quite hard for buyers to really get in. They do not want to get in some as high as this is not feasible in terms of trading, because if you get in here, if I get a long position here, my sell needs to be somewhere around here, and my TP is just about this. So you can clearly see this is a very stupid risk to reward. If somebody takes this trade and this risk to reward is going to lose a lot of money. So what buyers want is sellers or buyers want. Yes, we're looking for buying gold only. That's our mindset. So we're looking for long only. So I want gold to come here 1800, at least 1800 or 1806, so I can go like this, a long position somewhere around here, put myself just above here, just below the 1800 pivot level, which is this, and have my TP like this. So you can clearly see this give us a good 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, which is what we're looking for in gold. We're always looking to get more better risk to reward ratio. In any trading, to win, to come on top, you need to have your risks lower than your reward. So that's the Zoom call, guys. Again, if you have any question right now, I will give you 5 minutes. Please ask me any question you have, so I can answer them for you. And if anything you want to see, any pair you want to look at, I can look at that for you in the last 5 minutes. All right, guys. Thank you. So, okay, we have a question. US 30. All right, US 30. Again, US 30 lingering. As I said, nothing changed. It's been lingering. It did drop earlier in the morning, 2 p.m., which was the rising tension between China, US, UK. Also, UK had just suspended its treaty from Hong Kong, which is sending bank fugitives, which is from Hong Kong when they come in UK. That treaty has been disbanded from UK. So all that rising tension did show a drop, but again, then on positive news from UK, the coronavirus news pushed the DJ up, and again ranging mode. So again, DJ is not moving anyways. Probably not going to break this level 26.59 as of yet. It needs something really big for it to break this level, because if this level breaks, then we can expect DJ drop all the way back to 26449. What type of news hypothetically would further? Let me just go to news quickly to show you what type of news we're looking that could move gold. So today we had no news. Tomorrow our BA meetings were not going to move gold. Core retail sales won't move gold. We're looking at something with with US news. So Monday, Tuesday is rubbish. Let's look at Wednesday quickly. Wednesday, yes, this could move gold, but this is most likely going to move stocks rather than gold, because anything that shows good purchase power of a consumer is most likely a news which is going to move stocks. So if this news comes good, we could see stocks like US 30 and Nasdaq, FTSE, all that stocks rising, in showing that the investors are, they're more buying powers. When you buy a house, it's a big purchase, so there are people purchasing a house, showing there's a potential in the economy, and investors will start buying stocks in that country to for better return. Also, this could mean if crude oil inventories come good, this could also mean there's enough production happening in the country. This could move stocks up. So this is not going to affect gold that much. These are mostly stock news. What's going to affect gold is initial jobless claims. So for example, last week the initial jobless came bad. There were more claims than we were expecting. So if this happens again, we can expect gold to rise above this 1820 level, which I was talking about. So if that news comes good, comes bad, I mean, for US, we could see gold breaking 80-20 level, and vice versa. If it comes good, we could see gold dropping back to this level, because again, sellers are, I mean, that's why we see a break in the market right now. But market is really not moving for gold. It's just ranging, it's going up and down, but not ranging between this box here. Why is that? Because sellers are scared that they're thinking that buyers might come and push the price up, so they don't want to take any new positions, and buyers are scared that this is too high for us and we don't want to buy yet. So again, right now buyers and sellers are in competition. They really don't know what to do with the market. That's why it's ranging. But Wednesday news or Thursday news could move the market either way. If it's a good news, we could expect gold to drop back to this level. If it's a bad news, we could expect finally gold to break above 1820 pivot level and reach 1830s and 1840s. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining. Again, you can always ask us question on our WhatsApp, Instagram, and we're going to be uploading this video on YouTube. Please like, share, subscribe, and if anyone wants to start trading, please give us our free trial link to them, because it's free. We do not charge anything. Plus, we provide as good signals as we can. Thank you so much.